guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back again for another vlog, but before we get into all the festivities, I just want to show you really quickly this package that Luv Me Hair sent me for this vlog. So thank you to Luv Me for sponsoring this week's video, and this is the package that they sent over to me. We have another glueless unit, so let's get right into it. Let's get into this box. We have a wig cap, a lace tin strip, a bag for storage, a section clip, some lace tips, a branded tag, a label for storage, and the adjustable strap that we will be adding to the wigs. So this is the unit that we're working with today. This is a loose wave glueless 13 by 6 HD lace front wig, and as you can see, it is pre-cut and it has a Flexi-Fit drawstring cap. Guys, I added my adjustable strap to it and I went right into installing it, and as you can see, it's as easy as 1 2 3 because that baby is sat on my head as soon as I position it in place. But you guys know me, when it comes on to a straight or a body wave or loose wave texture wig, I like, even curly hair, I like going in with my hot comb just to get it really nice and sleek. It really does give it that polished look. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going in with my hair wax and my hot comb and getting the area flat. And guys, this wig is blending so beautifully. I just have to show you, say it is glueless, like it is not secured whatsoever. So I'm just doing that to the front as well, and then we're going to get into making some edges and showing you guys the finished look.
Tell me it's bad. No, say you say it, your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit, don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be love, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. We should still get it on.
Alright guys, so this is how the wig is looking. I am in love, and again, yes, this is a glueless wig. I don't know, Luv Me is so goated when it comes on to crafting a glueless wig because this looks so good. You would think I went ahead and installed this with some glue or some melting spray. So really love this. Super cute. If you guys are interested in it, the link will be down in my description box below, as well as a discount code, so you guys can go ahead and get some dollars off your glueless wig purchase. I am feeling it, and as you guys can see, I didn't do anything to the hair. This is how it came out the box. I just ran my fingers through the curls, and this is how it is falling. So yeah, love me a good wear and go wig, especially for people who are not so versed again on using the melting sprays and the lace glue. So yeah, let's get right into the rest of the vlog. Good morning, Jamaica. Now, the last time you saw me, I was in the US of A, but now I am back in JA, and I'm about to go to the beach with Red Stripe for their Red Stripe Flavors Mango Beach Chill. I came back yesterday, and yesterday was very hectic. It was a very long travel day. I will not be traveling through Montego Bay again. Too far. I don't like people in attitude down there, like the workers. I don't like their attitude. Me can't do it again. Price, yeah, but I'll pay for the convenience. It's fine. So I'm here. How this thing worked today is kind of like a meet and greet, because I asked on my Instagram who wanted to come with me, and a lot of people gave their names. That kind of did catch me off guard. I was like, oh my god, y'all like me for real? But yeah, a lot of people gave their names, and I could only pick 12. So I just randomly choose 12 people, and I'm about to, I think 1 or 2 of them did say them couldn't make it, but at that point it was too late for me to reach out back to anybody else, because that was like last night. So here's one. Yeah, what made that say? I think me that talk about the oh yeah, I made that talk about. Just Christ, I lose my train of thought. But yeah, I know some I feel like I something wait, I'm gonna go watch back a clip as what me that say. Yeah, so I'm just working with whoever shows up. Hopefully the people that indicates that them might come actually show, because I've had experiences like that where people will like say them I do things or say them I order something, and when you call them feet they're like I didn't order anything, and I'm like you're lying. Because but anyways, fingers crossed them not ghost me. So because I've never done anything like this before. I'm very introverted, guys. Like I'm actually a very 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 shy person. I don't like small talk, but in a situation like this where I am the host basically of the group because it's my bus, I open up. I have to force myself to open up. So yeah, we're heading to Puerto Rico Beach to have a chill day. Now I don't know how much of the whole thing I will get on the vlog because I'm preserving my battery for real purposes, like reels. That's what I'm mainly here to do. So I don't know how much of the vlog, how much you guys will get on the vlog. And I was supposed to start the vlog since week, but I don't know. I feel like this week, like the end of my trip was very intimate and I wanted to keep it intimate. So I never vlogged that. But yeah, coming back yesterday was hell. I'm very tired still. Like I wish I was in bed sleeping right now. But we move.
3 days later.
Hello guys, it's Buggergum. Last time I saw her, I was getting ready to, I kind of don't like this upward looking angle sometimes when I edit, but I'm just whistling while I ride. The last time I spoke to you guys, I was getting ready to go to the Red Stripe Mango Beach chill, and unfortunately I wasn't able to vlog that day. But when I understand, my main objective there again was Instagram, and I was focused on hosting the group that I was with, and I must say it was a really really good day. Big up to Red Stripe again. I can't stop big up Red Stripe because they did their big one. I've never been to a brand event like that. They ate with that one. But remember when I was in the car, I was saying, oh, I was hoping everybody would just come and nobody would do the little immature ghosting thing. So there were 4 people. 2 of them I knew they weren't coming because 2 of them had reached out to me the day before. One said, you know, a work thing came up, Kiana car, a work. And the other one was saying, you know, she was coming in from Canada and her flight got cancelled, so she never want to hold up the spot. But at that point, it was too late for me to swap out somebody else, because realistically, who me I got tell the night before, say, come, and, you know, that kind of inconsiderate. So 2 people were secured. I call from now to the man, people don't answer them phone. I send them from now to the man, people don't answer them phone. And my thing is, why send in your name if you know you're not coming anywhere? Like, they make a childish behavior there. I not rate it. And as I said, I expected it because people have done it before. Like when we used to do the wig selling on Instagram and the cash on delivery, them put on them name and order wig when you call them no, oh I didn't order anything. Like them something that pissed me off. Like if you want to get me angry, do them like a foolishness there because nobody asked you to, you know, put yourself out there. But apart from that, I never really met that bad for too long because I know that's how people are. We had a really good time. The sun was very hot. The sun was very hot, but we had a really good time. So yeah, I've been running errands all week, but it's just stuff like I don't feel like I necessarily want to vlog. It's like nothing too personal, but it's just like boring in my opinion. So yeah, I've been running errands all week. I'm going to be running errands today as well, and I'm taking you guys with me today because pumpkin spice is back in season. I did not get to buy pumpkin spice last year because the day that I went was the day that it finished. So it just come back, so everybody can't tell me them not a pumpkin spice. I'm going for my pumpkin spice. I'm going to pick up my packages. I'm going to be cooking today. I know, chill out. So I want to go and get an ingredient for that. I want to get a paper towel holder because I'm gonna try to get one and keep on a slip. I'm try to get one yesterday at Fountain and them never have none. But I prefer that I eat because I'm trying to limit how much I spend on fast food and how much fast food I eat. So that's the game plan for today. So I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I'm just gonna comb my hair, eat something, and then we can skedaddle. So me that soon. So I got the road errand started way later than I anticipated, mind you, but I was committed to the cause of eating before I left. It's a dirty habit that I have of not eating anything and leaving the house. So I'm curving my ways. I'm on my way to my shipping company first, and then I'm gonna go to Mega Mart because as I said, I got Fontana yesterday and I never have the paper towel holder. I'm going there too because I need to get some more stuff. Like, never realized I never have some stuff, so I just like pick up them there real quick as well. And then I'm gonna get my pumpkin spice latte, and I'm just gonna make my way downtown, walking fast faces past, and I'm homebound today, in all honesty. So yeah, I'm excited. Secured the packages. Request supposed to wonder women which part me did they? Because to the relationship I have when I walk in sometime, and no matter which rep they the counter, them not me not have to tell them my name. Then just walk around and I take up a package them. So they must did I say, oh, I wish for she abandon with what? But no, I just had the convenience of the packages coming to my door where I was, so I didn't have to ship them here. But I got two packages, boring stuff. I know what. One of them not even mine. One of one package them accidentally get sent to me. But we're gonna go get that pumpkin spice latte that I was talking about earlier, and then we're gonna go to Mega Mart. And what made it supposed? Oh, I have a to-do list. People, I realize that my memory is getting bad, so may I have to make to-do lists. Do I want to? No, because that is me accepting that my memory is bad, and I don't want my memory to be bad. All right, so I've collected my packages. Oh yeah, did that. That's scheduled. Yeah, so we're going to go to Starbucks now. That's what we're gonna do. Reach, but alright, so I normally get this one specific chai pumpkin spice order, right? But I see them have one where look like it no coffee in there. I'ma feel like I want to try it. I ask them though if it have coffee in there. If it does, I'm not gonna get it. I've started using this new skincare thing. If you can see, you probably can't see, my whole face has bumps, but you can also see my face well moisturized. So I feel like a good number of the Jamaican population with on Instagram know about Skin Glory. She ever shout out for me, so I decided to give her a chance. So that's what I'm currently using while my face looks so. I'll show you like the product lineup and tell you how much I got it for when I reach home or when I do my wind down, because I don't think I don't know. I'm shut up. Anyways, chai pumpkin spice. Yes, I normally get iced chai pumpkin spice and the 2 cups of vanilla syrup pumpkin spice cold foam. I don't know if that may I get today. Let's see if what they have has coffee in there. If it does, I'll get my regular chai order. Hi, good day. The iced pumpkin cream chai tea latte doesn't have any coffee in there.
The cream chai? No.
Yeah. Okay, can I have one please, grande? Shami. S-H-A-M-M-Y. Guys, the day is so hot. Wait, this looks like you want to wipe off here. The day is so unbelievably hot. I can't even get a good picture of this damn drink. Like, Okay. Let's try it. It looks like it tastes good. It tastes good, it just didn't want the extra vanilla. This is good. This is good. Bless the name of Jesus, amen. Let's go to Mega Mart. Let's go. Also, very important disclaimer for the people who are gonna be like, oh, this pumpkin spice paper, let me try it out. If you don't like eggnog, I don't recommend you go and try it. If you don't like, hey, if you're not like eggnog, don't waste your money to buy this. You're not gonna like it. It's very similar to eggnog, but the taste is kind of different. Like, very similar to eggnog. So if you don't like eggnog, go try it. With that being said, if you're somebody that likes to drink matcha, I do not trust your taste buds. Like, don't it sound harsh, but don't tell me what you like and tell me what you don't like, because I don't trust you. Because matcha tastes like poop. It tastes like grass with like a dog do the splash up on it and like a mud splash. But like, don't tell me nothing, because you drink that willingly. I don't trust you. And I'm saying this as somebody who has a sister that's an avid lover of matcha. But so I know that I don't really trust her taste buds, because so I like healthy stuff. Like, so I can't tell me if I try something, I'm wholeheartedly just jump at it and say yeah, because she loves matcha. She like healthy things. I have to take her recommendations with a grain of salt. So if you love matcha and you're at odds about pumpkins, but I don't want to hear it. Respectfully. I wish I got my 2 pumps of vanilla. Wish I got my 2 pumps of vanilla. So good. I'm also somebody that loves milk. I would drink a glass of milk just because. So there is that as well. Yeah, I'm at Mega Mart. I think I said that already. So I'm going in here for eggs, crackers, the hand paper holder, some other stuff I have it written down. What? I can't remember. Can't really say that something I reach me. But I forgot to start taking my olive orange. Remember we made it both to take G-Sat and my mother put me upon the olive orange and say, yeah, this is gonna make your memory turn up. And she used to give me some brown jelly like pill with like this orange substance inside for memory. Okay, I need to find them there, I can start taking them coming. I know what I'm going with my head. Like me I get early dementia. But yeah, let's go inside. I don't like coming to Mega Mart right away. I don't like them have a very nasty attitude in me. I don't know if I just me or what, but yeah, I don't really mess with them like that. It's just that it's closer and I really want the hand paper, the paper towel holder. So let's go. They never have the hand paper towel holder. Paper towel holder. I think I'm just going to buy it on Amazon. Call it a day. Because really and truly, I know if I go down to Amazon, I get it, but I don't feel like going to Amazon. You know them right there? I don't feel like a cross. I don't like going to Crossroads, so yeah. I'm just gonna buy it on Amazon. Initially that was my plan, but I was like, I don't feel like the price difference is that much. I'm gonna have to go wait. Not saying I can't wait, because it's not like, oh my god, if I'm gonna get one paper towel holder today, more like an end. I just wanted it to, you know. I don't know, the other one just disappeared and the paper towel just been laying around on the kitchen counter and I don't like seeing it, so I wanted that. But I come go home now and season up my meat for cook it later on. So let's go. Let's go.
3 weeks later.
Alright guys, last time you saw me I was at Mega Mart, and I since then I've cleaned my room and I filmed a video. That's why I look like this. That's why I have on like 10-minute makeup. But I saw this thing in the supermarket the other day when I went grocery shopping, and it was pretty viral. My face is also breaking out. It was pretty viral. If you want to see it, just paint the man. This was viral on TikTok a while back, and I saw it in the supermarket and I tried it. I don't know what I did expect, but I never really expect like jello. I thought it would be more like, I don't know what I did expect, but I saw it and I tried it and it was just like jello, but it tastes like Kisco. So this red one now tastes like the red Kisco, but it did look more fun. You ever see something on the internet and you just really want to try it, and then you try it and it's like, it did look more fun when they do it. But yeah, on Saturday night I didn't do anything today but buy breadfruit and ackee for dinner. So that's what we had for dinner. The battery are dead. I also don't know if today is August 30th. I don't know if I'm uploading this vlog on Monday just because I feel like, see my face? Just because I feel like there's nothing much in it. So I'm just going to hold on to it and go and build on it. And then, yeah. So I'm going to see you next time.
Eventually.
Hi guys. It's been a very long time since I did this. I'm actually vlogging on my phone. It feels so weird. May use the front facing camera because I'm so used to screen and I can't see myself. It's like for video myself without being able to see myself, sounds like insanity. But anyways, I take out my camera look a while, so me I go vlog. And can you believe it? Told battery them dead for sure how long I do take up the camera. But I think the last time I vlogged I was going to request, and I'm going to request today again, because I'm sorry if this feel like I'm just there in the car attack soon, but it's I don't want to show them in the house all the time, and the only other place I am in when I'm not in the house is the car. So apologies, but I'm going to pick up this cream that I bought. Full transparency, and if you are a man, I would I don't think this is something that you want to hear or care for, so you can just skip ahead. I think I'll put a timestamp, or you should skip to. But yeah, full transparency, I'm someone that struggles badly, and before me even start going on with me and say me no want nobody things say and a promotion and a sponsorship, but take up my dirty money because it never cheap and buy my things and I tell them about it. Alright, so I'm someone that struggles with darkness on their bikini area. I'm very prone to ingrown hair, and when the ingrown gone, them left nasty dark spots, and I'm just never able to get rid of them, no matter which bleaching cream you use, no matter what me use off of the internet where people say, yeah man, that one gonna work. Nothing ever works. So since recently I still have it. I bought a PFB Vanish with Chroma Bright off Amazon, and I see where it do little something. I must say it did help in reducing my ingrowns. I have 0 ingrowns at the moment, and I'm not try to jinx it, but I don't have any ingrowns at the moment. It has done that, but as it relates to lightening the area, I don't feel like it's working in that regard. So I found this place called Muesli, and it's basically an online dermatologist. So you select the product that you're interested in, them link you to a dermatologist, you send them pictures of your concerned area, and they prescribe medication for you for the next year. You don't have to you're not gonna feel all of that one time, because as I said, it's expensive. But yeah, so that's what I'm about to go pick up, and I'll keep you guys updated on if it works. I pray to God it does, because as I said, it is a not cheap, and it's also, you have the option of doing a one-time purchase or the refills, and the refills are every 2 months for the next year. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on that. I see on my dashboard that I do have some gift cards that I can send to people. They're valid at $50. So if I send a $50 gift card, and this is not why I told you guys, if I send a $50 gift card, I get $50 for my account for my next purchase. So if there's anybody that uses Muesli or wants to try them out, or have heard about them before and say them I'm gonna get a shot, if you don't want the gift card, probably just drop your email in the comment section and I send it to you. But I don't know if it works yet because I haven't tried it. I'm just about to go and pick it up. But rain was tearing, so I am just getting on the road at 1:35. School has started back, so you know what that means. I am in bumper to bumper traffic. Worse because the rain just don't fall. So yeah, I'm gonna, you know, so them people, them not care for them life. And now you gonna look. Them just walk out into the car and I fully have a bag of black in my face. You know what song I've been loving since recently? Natasha Bedingfield, Unwritten. Oh my god, that song speaks to my soul. Also, I signed up for this 3K walk at Hope Gardens this Saturday, and the people are not even as much as send an email, and you have to reach up there 6:39 man. Me I wonder say if I freely go, because when I get a confirmation, suppose I go up there and them tell me name the on the sheet and I don't wake up 5 o'clock in the morning to come up with mega vex. But I vex. But I gotta see. I could probably DM the Instagram page and say, hey, I signed up and I didn't get an email confirmation. Am I secure? But sign up for me and mommy. But yeah, alright, I'm gonna done chat now. I'm gonna listen to my music. And yeah.
3 days later.
Good night, everybody. It is Friday. The night before the 3K, I take up myself. I'm a dear ministry elder. I'm say, if I not get no email confirmation after registration, what that mean? Once I register before the deadline, I sign up. So we're going on a 3K in the morning. This is one of them something that way. In at the moment you're like, yeah, I gotta get my life together. I'm gonna go on the walk here. Woo! And then reality hits. So I have to go wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's just like, why am I so enough? You know, like why would I do that? Why would I do that? May I say me I hold myself accountable by signing up mommy as well. And mommy I look at me like, girl. But I'm gonna go. I'm gonna wake up early. I need to teach myself some discipline. Like, I need some serious discipline with my sleep schedule. Like, I have no discipline, and it's but we're gonna go on the run walk tomorrow. I'm gonna get my bib. I'm gonna get my medal, and we're gonna finish it in good time. And you guys are gonna be running, walking with me too. So yeah, it done 9 o'clock or 9:30. So that's good. So by can come back by like 9:30, 10 and sleep. Can sleep. You get me? Yeah. That's all the good thing about it. Just wake up, jump up, bed, and then we just go. And then we just go, and then we just gotta do it, and then we just have to get energized until reaching our bed, and we just sleep. Deal. Okay. So I'm gonna take out what I'm gonna wear from tonight, because I know that if I wake up in the morning and look for me, I'm gonna wear madness that like I probably like that just go lay down walking out of bed. Like I'm the type of person where if I go somewhere tomorrow, it doesn't matter if I'm in the morning, afternoon, night, I become out from the night before. So yeah. So that I can do now. Mommy, I clean our bathroom from overnight, so I'm not sure no, but tell the people how you feel about the run walk.
Hey, wow. I have done such things for ages.
You do one before?
No, I mean like when I go to school.
You do one before though in your
I
lifetime?
know just training, but basically training so I know how much miles is that? Or from the distance.
Oh yeah, ask Mr. Girl. Me and simple maths don't go together.
Exactly. So
But we need to get active. Is Caribbean active some day?
so we need to get active for the one day.
I never said that. I said we need to get active. I never said for the one day.
That is true. If I had company more time, I would walk from somewhere to somewhere. We tried it a while back, but we never
Listen, people give you no joke. I said that one Saturday they were going to Conservation Park go walk.
We did.
Me I walk go to the car and me I see his white. And I say no, I not say that to mommy because if I say that to her she go panic and think so me can't drive. I say people I buy one water. And you see by the time I reach a car angle, I'm hold on the car angle, the place so I thought I just hold my cool and hurry up and put the car and sit down in there and drink water. For a good 15 minutes, I can't drive off. She me not tell her what because she can say you can drive. You sure?
So is it what, a walk, run, or you have to run?
It's a run walk.
Run, walk.
Right. So we get in there.
You're too tired,
You walk.
Oh, so you run and
Then you walk.
You walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm not going to push it in I'm a young girl.
I'm not run.
You remember me tell you about the story about the past experience.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
Walk where I walk.
Walk where Nothing wrong with walking.
I look at the morning. I'm not do no fast walking here.
Walk where you reach.
Everybody I get one medal, so we good.
You remember the tortoise and the
Yeah.
That's where though.
Yeah, where I walk.
Smart.
Yeah.
But it's smart, not hard.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
That's somebody.
And then we'll come back and come sleep.
Right. That's somebody here. Yes, my love.
Alright, good, we're on the same page. Perfect. Guys, I don't even know what happened. My alarm didn't even go off. Guys, good morning. It's currently 5:55, but before we move no further, I just want everybody to go in the comments and say thank you, mommy, because you see, if I never mommy, none of this should not go on right now. I don't know what this is like the third time this happened to me. You see, when I go sleep too close to my alarm, it's like I wake up in my sleep and lock it off. I'm not aware. I know I set the alarm. Mommy wake me up minutes after 5. I jump up. Cause I expect the alarm to go off. Look on the phone, the alarm turn off. So I know say me turn it off. When did I turn it off? I don't know. So hurry up and get ready. Like 25 minutes. And we're here. Yay! Guys, I can't see nothing because the sun not even light out. It's morning. Orange. But yeah, this is how I work with. And I carry my green in a match nothing. But the only funny part I have, I now walk with my big side bag. And if you don't know that cup here, you don't know. I have to just do a bad tape job. And yeah. Because I didn't match my clothes. But yeah. I gotta head out now for catch warm up at 6:30. Mommy save a day. Really save a day. Let's go. Good morning again. We're here. It's like 6:20. It's not level, but this is where the light is coming from. So this is the outfit. Yeah, I'm a cup. This is mommy. Mommy say good morning. Mommy look at the people when you're addressing.
Good morning.
Alright. Everybody just driving on one line. Me not see no signage, me not see no nothing. So me make the executive decision to not follow them down into the dance. I'm a park, run on one place, run on one part. So even if, you know, I don't want me like they run there with them and make the people in park, but I know so when them are left and thing, it's gonna get a little bit hectic. So I just park out the way. Yeah, we're walking. I don't hear no music, I don't hear nothing. So I don't even know what. So watch everybody I go around there now, mommy. I say watch everybody I go around there now. I tell you now, come like magnet. Or upon cross. 10 minutes later, I was still at work. I'm just a wonder. How far? How far? Where do we go? And I be a gym people. I want me to go upstairs. I want to go upstairs. But the views are lovely because we are at the garden. Well, would it be a nice zoo now? Or we're past the zoo. I reach now. I got my babe! Oh, this one babe done ready to go. Let me give me that shirt, but I'm not put it on. That's a spoil my aesthetic. Mommy put it on, girl. Hello guys, it's Bubblegum.
Crazy. I wish you the best of luck.
Oh, you feel it, mommy. I got come first. What's training you? Remember all of your training, you know? Yeah. We're aiming for the gold medal.
Go on the back and make your way to the entrance. The start line.
I was gonna use them, but it's this in my carriage. People? But I want to pop my I never really want to get myself in.
Yeah.
When people are going, I tell them I trade for. I'm a bit secure, but still
A little more speed, you know what I'm saying?
Run left mommy. She just slowed me down. I had to cut. Hey, Jamaican people, I'm visiting. I can't believe so I'm on a top side rose. Whenever. Like, the people, why you feel them sitting? I don't have a word with them because clearly I have somebody for that shit. I only can come donate it to me. Yeah? Because why would you be sending gifts to somebody just for walking and showing love? But as it relates to them can hurt. Them can hurt. Un poquito. One thing I'm gonna like about myself, I don't sweat in my face. I sweat in my hair, and it doesn't run down into my face. It's a blessing and a curse because when I have makeup in like extreme situations, they can't even see me. The makeup no move, but no more look at me. I do something, and I sweat just now. Sorry. They want my name this one though. What do you mean the medal though? Them know say people may get up from people. Oh mommy done before. Mommy I joke here me. You're joking.
Okay, so fellas, are you ready?
Oh you done before me. What time you done? What time on the clock when you done? Then medal done. What time you reach around here? Oh, you done before me? You cut out part?
No.
You go around in the zoo?
Yeah, so we went to... Yeah, me home for them before, so I'm reach out to my door, see Shani. I'm wait, I think that she did wait for me now, I've got the picture. All the medals for done. See me get medal and she not get me. Could have done before. Yeah. But people like, because me see them a kill themselves when I go up the hill and run up the hill. Me say no. But me try the hill now I come down. The hill carry me.
My feelings hurt. Be careful, girl. Now when my feelings. Oh, mommy put down before the woman. I'm on her middle. I'm gonna get none.
Don't cry, Queenie. Don't cry, Queenie.
Yeah, me. I'm actually I look forward to the medal to put in my box. I have a memory box. I keep them. I don't have, but I'm this. Me shame as well because the way I mean, mommy done before me. Mommy done before me. Rate the run walk on a scale of 1 to 10.
I should rate it.
Wait, why this not for? Yeah, rate it on a scale of 1 to 10.
I would give it a 7 out of 10.
Why?
They didn't start on time.
I give people a 9 out of 10. It never stopped on time.
Why I give it a 9?
But it was a very scenic walk run. I really enjoyed the views. Probably that's why it takes so long for them. But you get to circle the pond, you get to walk through the zoo, see the animals. As you guys saw.
She was stopping.
I was sightseeing.
Oh, yeah.
How much do you get for going to the zoo for free? I stop, I'm gonna take pictures of the monkeys and the parrots. I was living my best 7 o'clock life. Okay? I don't know when again they might get me out of my bed this early, so I'm gonna make the most of it.
I love it though. I enjoyed it.
Why
because
is it so dark? You say you enjoyed it because what?
I think boy to talk about because of the fact that I not do something like this for
a long time. I think it's more rigorous.
I think it was gonna be more rigorous, but I developed a strategy, you know. Yeah.
Send this damn strategy.
I did.
I don't care. Anyways. Yeah, I'm a bad mind today. I feel
yeah, because guess what?
I give them my 8 out of 10 actually because I should have enough medal to give everybody.
Exactly. I was about to talk about that. So that's why I marked them down the time and the medal. Where is your medal? Let's talk about that.
Anyways, so I'm going to go get breakfast and then go home, eat and sleep as planned. Okay. But I think I come back hour.
You can imagine if maybe somebody going to do this and that, come and leave them kind of feel about rest. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to go sleep for a notice straight to tomorrow.
But I'm going to rest and meet a girl always up and about.
Yes, a dark door. Me catch you know. Back home. I stop and got some. I take a fresh. Voila fresh. And the works. Stop a juicy beef and buy breakfast. Did not like it. I got stewed chicken and banana and fried dumpling. Never like it. Stewed chicken is white and watery. Mommy got pecan porridge. That was okay. That was like I could vibe with that. But right now, I'm just like a publish one ad. I want to sleep. I feel like yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. So I will see y'all again. Oh, so my shirt I want to get. I don't know if I'm show no. First 500 people get a t-shirt. People give me a t-shirt and not the medal. I'm shame. Shame that dog. But yeah.
The next day.
So it's a new week. It's the Monday after the walk run, and typically today would have been my upload day, but I did not upload. I was anticipating uploading, but it didn't work out. So we're here. I know earlier in the vlog I had said that I would show you guys my new little skincare thing that I had going on. I'm not going to be showing you guys that because it's not working for me, and I don't know, it's just my whole forehead is breaking out. Like everything that is here was not here before. I bought it because I wanted it to you know, get rid of the little dark spots on my face, because this side of my face had some really dark spots and I wanted to get rid of it, but instead my forehead just a bump up real bad. And I'm not gonna blame the product, because I've seen the results for the product and it seems to be a very good line. It's just not working for me, so don't use my fat fry. That's how it go. I don't know. Anyways, don't take my results as the end all be all. Go try it for yourself if you want to try it. As I said, the results that I've seen are really, really good. It's just not meshing with my skin. And to be honest, I'm very annoyed. I wonder if I go through my second puberty, because my face is just being so unforgiving. Like, there's nothing I'll do that will just make it calm down and stop. And the last time this happened to me was in sixth form, and what I did was to go to Earth Elements and I bought this black soap and I bought witch hazel and I bought moisturizer. So I think that's what I'm going to do. If all else fails, I'm going back to my roots. I'm going to go to Earth Elements. I'm going to buy the $100 soap. I don't think it's $100 anymore because inflation. I'm going to buy a bottle of witch hazel. I'm going to buy a moisturizer. I'm going to work on my face. And if that still not work, then I don't know what else to do. I don't want hair bone, no. Honestly, I don't really care for the recommendations anymore, because nothing is working on my skin and I'm annoyed. Like, I'm not even know how much something in my cabinet where I forgot just dash her, because nothing is working. But anyways, I hope to have this vlog to you guys by next week Monday. I'm confident that I will be able to have this vlog to you guys by next week Monday. I don't even know how long it is, but I'm pretty sure it's inching closer to an hour than 30 minutes. So I'll see you guys. I don't really have anything planned, to be honest. I'm not going anywhere. I'm such an inside girl now. Like, that's a story for another day, but yeah, I'll see you guys
Later.
So I didn't just come afterward. I just came out of a meeting, but I went and I collected my packages from request. I feel like every time I pick up the camera, I say I'm going to request to collect one package. But in any case, remember I was telling you guys about the retainers that I got off Amazon. I finally have them in my hands and I'm going to unbox them for you guys, so you're going to see my raw reaction. I'm just getting it. It never just delivered to the address that I put, but I just got it from, as it was sent to me from that address. So yeah, it does take a little while. So if you know, say, visit for 1 week, and I don't recommend anybody in Jamaica buy it because and ship it come to Jamaica, because you have to return it, and that gonna be a problem. I just know that's gonna be a problem. But this is how the box looks. Comprehensive custom dental kit. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm excited. I am excited. I feel like, I don't know. Obviously, I needed permanent retainer on my top row because of how my teeth were before. But I just feel like where I went is either I never put on properly, because from I get my permanent retainer up, I have about 2 times it broke. And it's not all the way secure right now. And I'm just tired of spending money to fix a mistake that you keep on making, and I keep telling you before I get out the chair, hey, it not feel secure, and you're gonna tell me that yes, it's secure, and it's not. And I not have money for waste. So I'm gonna get pliers. Instructions. Sorry, let me read this. Man, I'm gonna read them soon. Let me see what I go on in this. Why is so fine? You know what? Let me figure it out. Anyways, so I'm guessing this is one and this is the other, and I got my, but this feel heavy too. Yeah, let me look what I want now this. Oh, this is a nice, oh, it's rubber. This is better quality than the case I have for my retainer now. Shoot, and I only paid $100. This is the upper. Let's see what it's giving. So they sent me the retainer on the impression that I sent. Oh, me take off this. Yeah, probably this is where I read the instructions. Coming on, Brookie. Wait. Let me read the instructions. Alright, so I read the instructions. There's something that I really want to do, and I'm going to get it done before the year ends because I was told it was going to get this. Guys, me just still don't know which part I'm gonna go because honestly, only that bother me, you know. Like, I was getting a lot of requests. I'm never want to be that person be like, oh, so I'm just telling you, but if I could do it all over, I don't think I would. But I'm not telling you, like some of the time I just feel like me that get also, like even with coming out of it, like I don't know, but yeah. Oh, you just tell me, say, oh, you know what? This is a story for another day. But I'm going to transfer all of my mouth needs back to my primary dentist, which is 360. The only reason why I didn't go to 360 for my braces was because they weren't offering that service at the time. So I'm going to disinfect these and then come back and show you guys how they look in my mouth. And I just went with the clear option because I feel like classic. You can't go wrong with classic. So I'm gonna clean them and come back. Time for the moment of truth. This feels weird. What me get myself for now with the backside this? My so come. I feel like my spit out of the throat, my kill me. With this in my mouth, it feels really weird. It's a fucking spam. It feels really, really weird. In the air, man, talk. But it's so much better, but it feels really weird. The bottom is really comfortable. This is just right there, see that man suffocate. It really feel like man suffocate. I still come back. I would say the quality, alright, final verdict. I took out the top one, but I don't know what that is, but it's laying on my gum up there. It feels like I'm about to choke on my spit and die. But the bottom is very comfortable. I'm having the bottom right now. It's very, very comfortable. The top one, I don't know if I'm having a permanent retainer or what, but it'll give me a warm time. But I'd say it's worth it. I would say it's worth it. I don't have a worse lisp than I do in the clear trees, and I feel like this is more durable, so I would say it is worth it. The top one is going to take some getting used to, but I guess we'll get there. But yeah, that's the retainers.
Tomorrow.
I just finished filming a video. Honestly, I don't know why I'm on the vlog because I don't know for say. I just have pack up, but I definitely feel like the vlog is coming to an end soon because I think I'm in my luteal phase of my cycle. If you know, you know. Yeah. So I did my makeup, like, I don't know. Alright, so I think there's a clip where I was talking about the skincare. I don't know if I left it in or not. It's probably the clip before this. No, it's not. I was talking about the retainer before this. So Una probably can, yeah, like this is all dryness regardless of me using moisturizing agents. May I use serum, may I use 2 different things that have like an actual moisturizer and a dark spot corrector with moisturizer in it. And at this point, do I need not the light? At this point, do I need to go to a dermatologist? But I don't know, I kind of give up on it. It's kind of like any oh you look, but I know so if it look any type of way, I go feel down about it. I'm just tired. I'm just tired of beauty standards within the skincare industry, within the skincare landscape, not industry. Wait, I might pick up them something. It's currently, where is my phone? I think I'll bring it in my room. I think it's like after 9 I go to 10. I'm gonna edit this, send it out for approval, and then I don't know if I'm doing anything tomorrow. I'll probably go and get another pumpkin spice because I've been feeling for that. I don't know. Yeah. Didn't makeup look good though? Tell me how the makeup look in the comments below because I don't think it looks good. Like, I don't know if I can see, like, or I know how my skin is behaving right now, why I don't think it look good, but I also feel like my lashes. But I don't know. Wanna tell me because I also did. That's a very harsh line. That's a very harsh line. I did a lot more contour. Yeah, no, what? I don't know what I tell about the makeup look. Because if I promise something, I feel like it's the big too, a little bit too much, probably I get a little bit defensive. So don't tell me on makeup look. Never mind. I take it back. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow or over the weekend. A little weekend part would be nice, but I went to a meeting today and it's so funny that we're talking about how Gen Zs are like, because majority of us turned adults during COVID. It's like we tend to go out every once in a blue moon and then just hibernate, and I don't feel like that's everybody, but that's definitely true for me. Even more so now, I just feel I've been in a heavy protecting my energy mindset, you know. I'm just like reeling myself back in because, you know, yeah. So I gotta see, you know, over the weekend. I don't feel like I chat too much in I vlog them, you know. I don't feel like I chat too much in I vlog them. I want to show on the things, but hey, sometimes coffee, sometimes what? Okay.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
I bet you guys cannot guess where I just went. Like, I just came out on the road, but I bet you can't guess where I'm going to go. Request! Like, it's to a point where I don't even have to, like, sometime I don't have to even tell them the name. And I'm supposed to do them. Is that bad? But it's not like some have a shopping addiction, because at the time I stuff for my buy. So, what it is? I went to request the collector package. That isn't anything I bought, so you know the dopamine level isn't all the way. But right now I'm at Earth Elements because remember I had mentioned earlier that I don't like what my face is doing, and even yesterday when I put on the makeup, that just confirmed me that I really don't like what my face is doing. So I'm gonna go back to my roots of the Jamaican black soap and witch hazel, and I'm going to find a moisturizer in there. And because the products that I've been using them for roughly 1 month now. My face bump still every day a new bump come up, and that was not my skin before. That's not normal for me. So yeah, mega go in there now, and then mega go Fontana, and then mega get a pumpkin spice drink at Starbucks, and then I'll figure out life from there. But let's go inside and see what I can come up with. This was when me in a sixth form, I'm a face fever bumpy killer. Earth elements will come and start out my life, and ever since that I was good up until people start telling me that my skin is so nice, and I decided to watch a joke here. But anyways, let's go. I think their storefront is so cutesy. So cutesy. I did not vlog in there because I was like the only person in there, and I was asking questions, and there are like a lot of workers, so I didn't feel like talking to myself in essence. But I got quite a few stuff. I really and truly, I saw my OGs. The only thing that I got that I don't know of is the moisturizer, but it's an Earth Elements brand, so I'm gonna put my trust in it. So I got the black soap. It's like a block of raw black soap. They normally sell these like in some tiny slices back in when my used to buy it for like $100, but inflation, so you can't expect to get that today. So they might sell this block of it now for $4 bills. And then I got African Neck Sponge, and this, the clarifying toner, tea tree and lemon to be exact. I saw the witch hazel, but this is goated for me. Like, the only reason I stopped buying this was the last time I went there, they didn't have any, it was sold out. So, and then I got the vanilla aloe lightweight moisturizer. She said she recommended this one because it can be worn under makeup. It's very lightweight, so that's what I got. And I just got another tongue scraper, but this one isn't for me because I have one that is in good condition already. Yes, thanks for shopping with me. That's it. That's all. Now I'm gonna go to Fontana. There's this shampoo thing that they have that I want, and I also don't have any conditioner or shampoo. I want to wash my hair, so I'm gonna go get those. And space for my memory card, I don't know. There's so many files on this. There's so many files on this that I didn't even take off of the camera. But I just haven't. I don't know why. But I could go Rona Fontana. I got the pumpkin spice with the. I got 3 pumps of vanilla because it's a venti. So let's see what it's giving. Yes, ma'am. I needed that. My soul needed that. One piece of rain come down for me. Look, we're waiting at the same shade shirt. But I'm come to Burger King and I buy food. But I go on next one, and I'm still going to line about 30 minutes. I'm the same place. But I join the line for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to leave, come get mommy, and we'll come down here. And I get this. This is so cute. They spend over $2.5. I don't know if it's a promotion they might have. I don't know if today a customer appreciation day. I don't know what one. But that's not something I come. I'm going to spend over $2,500. So I'm going to get this. Really cute. Mommy can bring her lunch in there. I'm going to really use them something. I'll pack up food in there when dinner done. But yeah. Happy Sunday, guys. I just filmed a video, that's why I look like this, but I'm coming to you guys to tell you that I'm ending the vlog here. This is Sunday, the day before you're seeing this. I feel like watching back some of the clips, guys. The zoom, I can't see well without the glasses. I don't know this, and sometimes I can't see when the camera is out of focus because my eyesight is blurry without the glasses. So if it's out of focus sometimes I don't realize, please forgive me. But yeah, I'm going to start editing now. 2 videos to edit. I'm going to start editing that now, so I can have this done to upload, and then it's just chilling to be published tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though I think it was just a lot of talking and nothing really happening. But yeah, I did what I could, and I could what I did. So until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.